Hello, welcome to Markimist. Have you ever been wondered how some websites show star ratings and reviews in Google search results? That's because of Schema Markup, specifically Aggregate Rating Schema and Review Schema. Aggregate Rating Schema is a structured data that tells Google about how many reviews and ratings your business has. This helps to improve SEO and boost click-through rates in Google search results. In this video, I'll show you how to add aggregate rating schema to your website so that you can improve your SEO and get those eye-catching review stars on Google. Let's start the process. There are multiple ways for setting up schema markup in our website. You can use custom schema in your SEO plugin or use Schema Pro plugin for implementing rating schema. In this video, I will show you how to implement aggregate rating schema manually in your website's head section. For that, log into your website admin dashboard and go to the theme file editor from the appearance menu. At this point, we need to put a simple JavaScript code in our website header.php. If you are not used to coding, I will suggest you to use Code Snippet plugin for safe placement. For manual placement, open header.php or theme header.php from utheme files. We need to place the aggregate rating schema code before the closing head tag. You will get the code in the video description. Just simply copy the code and paste it before the ending head tag. Now customize the code according to your business details. At the aggregate rating section, put your average rating in the rating value. In review count, put how many reviews you have achieved. Now, update the file. We have added the rating schema code successfully. Now let's check if the code has any error. You can use Google Rich Snippet Result Tester for checking error. Here you can see, a new schema type review snippet has been added with green tick mark. It means there is no error in the schema markup. If you face any error, leave a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching the video. If you want second part on how to add review schema, just leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for getting more digital marketing tips.